Welcome back. Now let us proceed with another application question. Now, we are expected again to read the scenario below and answer questions that follow. We have Gamma Events. Gamma Events is a popular business that caters for different social events. The management of Gamma Events uses some of their profit to buy antiretroviral treatment for their infected employees. They also offer entrepreneurial programs for people who are not economically active in the community. The question says to us, identify two socioeconomic issues that affect Gamma Event and motivate your answer by quoting from the scenario. Now, this is how you deal with such a question. You look into the scenario and check what the question requires from you. You are expected to identify two socioeconomic issues, and remember, we focus on three. So you are supposed to choose two from the three socioeconomic issues, and you have poverty, you have unemployment, and HIV and AIDS. Then you motivate your answer by quoting from the scenario. Now, the first part of your scenario, in most cases, is going to be the details of what the business is doing, what the business is selling. And then the management now, the sentence after that can have a potential answer, because we are saying the management of Gamma Events uses some of their profit to buy antiretroviral treatment for their infected employees. They also offer entrepreneurial programs for people who are not economically active in the community. Now, let's identify our socio-economic issues that are affecting Gamma Events. As we are seeing here, they use their profit. Instead of growing the business, they are using their profit to show that they care for their employees by buying them antiretroviral treatments. So that talks toward dealing with a particular socio-economic issue, which is HIV and AIDS. Then they also offer entrepreneurial programs. So talking to offering entrepreneurial programs for people who are not economically active, this would help to reduce another socioeconomic issue, which is unemployment. Now, let us see the motivations. One, the management of Gamma Events uses some of their profits to buy antiretroviral treatment for their infected employees. That is correct. And the socioeconomic issue is correct as well. And then unemployment is correct, and they also offer entrepreneurial programs for people who are not economically active. That is correct as well. Then we look into the last application question, which also expects us to read the scenario below and answer questions that follow. We have June Traders. June Traders decided to invest their surplus profit in corporate social investment projects. They invested in the communities by donating school uniforms, and sporting facilities were also provided by June Traders to promote a healthy lifestyle. Now, the first question, quote two ways in which June Traders contributed to the well-being of their community. And then another question says to you now, explain other ways in which June Traders can contribute to the well-being of their community. Now, let us deal with that. The first one says, quote two ways in which June Traders contributed to the well-being of their community. Now, the two ways are, one, can this be the answer? June Traders decided to invest their surplus profit in corporate social investment projects? No, there's no answer there. This is just telling you or informing you that the business decided to invest, but we need practical ways to say, how did they invest? They invested in the community by donating school uniforms. That is the first way That's the first sentence you quote over there to say now they invested in communities by donating school uniforms. Then what do we quote? Because this is giving back, this is showing care for the community, because you are donating school uniforms to the learners who stay in the community in which you operate in as a business. Now, sporting facilities were also provided by June Traders to promote a healthy lifestyle. So you also quote that sporting facilities were also provided by JT, which is June Traders, to promote a healthy lifestyle. Those are ways in which June Traders used to contribute their well-being to the community. Now, let's explain other ways. One, businesses should improve the general quality of life of their community. Another way is that they should ensure that the product they supply do not harm consumers. Another way is that they should avoid engaging in illegal practices such as employing children under the legal age, and they should make sure that they make ethically correct business decisions, for example, by making sure that they do not engage in unfair or misleading advertising. So that is another application question. And with that being said, let us take a short break so that we can wrap up our lesson.